Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Quiz Hits. Let's get started and have a blast. Can you guess the birds from their shadow? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Can you guess this bird? Yes, it's a crow. Amazing! Yes, it's a sparrow. Superb! Can you guess this bird? Yes, it's a parrot. Great going! Guess this one? Yes, it's a pigeon. Excellent job! Can you guess this bird? Yes, it's a peacock. You are doing great! Can you guess this bird? Yes, it's a hen. Good going! Can you guess this bird? Yes, it's an owl. Superb! Guess this one? Yes, it's a swan. You are doing amazing! Can you guess this bird? Yes, it's an ostrich. Great going! Guess this one? Yes, it's a woodpecker. Excellent job! Can you guess this bird? Yes, it's a crane. Great going! It's trivia time. Are you ready? Can you find the odd bird out and name the bird? You have guessed it right. It's a flamingo. Guess this one? You are correct. It's a duck. Guess this one? Yes, it's a vulture. Excellent job! Yes, it's a kingfisher. Great job! Guess this one? Yes, it's a toucan. Amazing! Subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel, Quiz Hits.